Are you looking for the best RV surge protector? Protecting your RV's electrical system is crucial to avoid costly repairs. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best RV surge protectors of 2023. At the end of the video, we'll reveal the surge protector that we use and have installed in our very own RV, Oliver. Join us as we dive into their features, pros, and cons, helping you make an informed decision. Let's get started. Number 5. Progressive Industries SSP30XL RV Surge Protector. Our first pick for the best RV surge protector is the Progressive Industries SSP30XL RV Surge Protector. It features a 3-mode surge protection system with high ratings of 825 joules and 22,500 amps. The fall detection capabilities ensure open ground, open neutral, reverse polarity, and miswired pedestal are detected. Its rugged design and compact size make it perfect for outdoor use. The Progressive Industries SSP30XL is available for $89.45 on Amazon Prime. Number 4. Progressive Industries RV Surge Protector 50 amp with electrical management system, portable, the EMS PD50X. Are you looking for a portable option with 50 amp surge protection? The Progressive Industries EMS PD50X is the best choice. This surge protector not only offers 5-mode surge protection, but also comes with an electrical management system. Its rugged design is weather-resistant and thermally protected for outdoor use. Its portable and plug-and-play design makes it easy to use and store. You can find the Progressive Industries EMS PD50X on Amazon Prime for $265.30. Number 3. SurgeGuard 44280 Portable 30 amp Surge Protector. This portable 30 amp surge protector offers reliable surge protection and features a user-friendly design. It can identify faulty part power and provides surge protection for your RV. The SurgeGuard 44280 is available for $77.95 on Amazon Prime. Number 2. Progressive Industries HW50 Coulomb Surge and Electrical Protection. For those needing a 50 amp surge protector with an LED display, the Progressive Industries HW50 Coulomb is an excellent option. This hard-wired surge protector offers both surge protection and electrical management capabilities. A surge protection rating of 3,580 joules and 88,000 amps ensures your RV is safeguarded against voltage fluctuations, power surges, and incorrectly wired shore power. The Progressive Industries HW50 Coulomb Surge Protector is available on Amazon Prime for $283.63. Our pick, Number 1. Progressive Industries RV Surge Protector 30 amp with electrical management system, hardwired with remote display, EMS HW30 Coulombs. For the best 30 amp surge protector, we recommend the Progressive Industries EMS30 Coulombs. This hardwired surge protector offers surge protection and an electrical management system. A 3-mode surge protection system and ratings of 1,790 joules and 44,000 amps protect your RV from voltage fluctuations and power surges. The remote digital display provides real-time updates on power source information. The Progressive Industries EMS HW30 Coulombs is available for $216.22 on Amazon Prime. Choosing the best RV surge protector is essential to protect your RV's electrical system and avoid costly repairs. This video reviewed the top 5 best RV surge protectors of 2023. From the portable and budget-friendly SurgeGuard 44280 to the feature-rich Progressive Industries HW50 Coulombs, there's an option for every RV owner. Consider your specific needs, budget, and desired features when selecting the right surge protector for your RV. Ensure the safety and longevity of your RV's electrical system with a reliable surge protector. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of related content. Remember to stay safe and happy travels.